Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to trade your Hamster Kombat tokens for USDT in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First, let's see how many Hamster Kombat tokens you'll get for your USDT. For instance, I have 4.92 USDT here, which will give me around 3,960 Hamster Kombat tokens. Pretty cool, right? Now open your exchange and in the search bar type in HMST. The first option that appears should be Hamster USDT. Click on it to proceed. Once you're on the Hamster trading page, click on the trade option. If your assets aren't showing up, no worries. Simply click the plus sign to add your USDT or Hamster Kombat tokens to your view. This will help you keep track of your holdings. Now it's essential to change your order type. When you're first opening the trading option, it might be set to limit order. You want to switch that to market order. This ensures that your trade executes immediately at the current market price. Let's say you're ready to trade your Hamster tokens. To do this, navigate to the Assets section on your exchange. Make sure you're viewing your Hamster tokens. Before trading, you'll need to transfer your Hamster tokens from your funding account to your unified trading account. Click on transfer and select the appropriate accounts. Drag the quantity slider to the desired percentage of your Hamster tokens. Finally hit sell to convert your Hamster tokens to USDT.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.